Hello everyone! Today we'll introduce how to set up your smart plug, Tapo P100, and see how it works. To get started, plug your smart plug into a power source, and then plug the device you want to control into the plug. Before setup, make sure to enable Bluetooth. You'll also need to download and open the Tapo app. Next, create a Tapo account and log in. Add device and select Smart Plug. Now, check if the LED on your Tapo P100 is blinking orange and green. If it is, tap the Already Orange and Green option in the app. If it's not, press the button on your Tapo P100 for about 10 seconds to reset it. Connect Tapo P100 to your home network. Name the device or appliance you plugged into Tapo P100, then choose the room it's in and select an icon for it. Congratulations! You've now completed configuration and you're ready to go. Now try to turn the device on or off with your phone. Next, we'll show you how to remotely control the connected devices on your phone. Here in the Tapo app, you'll find 3 event settings to be used in different situations. They are designed to facilitate your life and help eliminate potential safety hazards. First is schedule. You could add 1 or more schedules to set when the connected device regularly turns on or off. For example, in the demonstration, we scheduled the plugged-in lamp to turn on at 9 p.m. and off at 11 p.m. However, we didn't set the weekly repeat, which means this schedule will only be followed 1 time. Second is the Away Mode event. This feature intelligently simulates someone being at home by turning the plugged-in device on and off at random intervals. For instance, we set 8 p.m. to midnight from Monday to Friday. The lamp in the house will randomly turn on and off during that time, making it appear that someone is home when you're actually on long trips. This can help keep away people with ill intent. Finally is the timer event, which is similar to the schedule event. Instead of scheduling a specific time, we set a countdown to turn on or off the plugged-in device. For example, in the demo, we set the lamp to turn off after 1 hour. Thanks for watching! Hope you enjoy a smart and secure life with your Tapo P100 Mini Wi-Fi Smart Plug.